Friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss some basics what happened in today's market. So it was a gap down situation. You could clearly see it's a clear gap down, and percentage wise power grid was down, Infi was down, HCL Tech was down. So Infi and HCL comes under the pressure of AI, while power grid is having the LPG oil issue, so naturally these will be down. We'll go for BNF, Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, except for IndusInd and Fed Bank, others are down. And S Bank, wow, again it's back to the charts. Okay, S Bank is down. Bank Nifty is also considered a gap down. Moving on to the stocks at the close. So at 4 p.m., the stocks contributing to Nifty is ICICI, trend in the downside. Sorry, I'll take Bank Nifty. ICICI positive, while Axis Bank in the downside. Here is for Finnifty and then Midcap Nifty. Humans and trend. Okay. Next we would go for Sensible website for some inside news of some market based data. So economic calendar, you could clearly say today is 4th and today USA news were out, and tomorrow RBI rates are going to come up. So tomorrow expect a bigger move in Indian market. Okay, so we have almost 3 data linked with India and USA for tomorrow. When you check for stock results for tomorrow, so all the dividends are coming up. ICICI and HDFC Proli and HDFC AMC is shown here, so I don't know whether it will going to affect the main HDFC and ICICI bank, so let's wait and watch. Apart from 5th June, we have news only for 10th June, so yep, I'm expecting a sideways zone. Now we are going to check for the FII data. Hopefully it should have come. Yep, 4th is there updated. So this is the latest data, and our interest is only on the FII data. So you could clearly see the sell is more than buying. So the seller's pressure is directly seen in the market, and this is the resistance and this is the support. So equally added up today. When you check, it is equally added up, almost near 49 and 39, and then here resistance is clearly more 7 and 4 and at the support. Okay, so when you check for stocks, future stocks, so sell is added more for today, but buyers are more in the overall. Okay, so this is the overall structure. Moving on to the options chart, we'll start with Nifty index, and we are only interested in change. So what happened today is what we are going to see. So 400 is having straddle, 450 is also having straddle, and 350 is having a support system. Okay, so pretty much looks sideways for me. Now we'll check for BNF, Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is having straddle at 300 and currently standing at its straddle point, and resistance is looking pretty strong for Bank Nifty. Okay, moving on to the futures. So here is the stock futures. You can check and understand about the stocks. Next is the ban list, which is the Nifty Trader website, and then you could see these are under possibilities and IPOs for this month. Sorry, June month, right? Yeah, these are the IPOs coming up. You can check. Now we have GIFT Nifty. So here is the data for the global market, and then you could see from past 3 days global markets are seen in red. So yep, the oil and LPG issue is still shaking up the market. Now let's come to the straddle part, the best part of my videos, because I'm more interested in straddle and strangle charts. So this is one of the hedging method. Now let's just make a note. Open was 250, let me take for Nifty 250 as our ATM, and then offset we'll keep 50 points because that's what Nifty is at. Maybe we could keep 100. So yeah, 100 is enough. Okay, so now when you check 100, so it will be 200, 250 and 400. Okay, I got it right? 250 means, why is not offset reflecting? Okay, so here, sorry, here strike 2, 250, 500, no, let's just plus or minus 1 is fine. Okay, so 200, 250 and it is 400 again. Okay, so might be we'll take offset as 50. Okay, so 200, 250 and 300. Okay, much better. So here, so the initial 915 spike is not favorable for all the three. Okay, but this is 200 is under loss, 250 is at break even, and 300 is at positive. Okay, so how positive? Because the open price is the lower than the close price. Okay, so yeah, it's a bit difficult to navigate here. It's okay. So we have BNF open was 53,900, so that is strike price. Offset will keep as 100. Now yes, he doesn't actually remember the preferences, and every time I need to change it. Okay, so expiry is for 30. So let me explain. So expiry is here. Offset is 100 point. That's why 800, 900 and 54,000 is reflecting. So strike price, this we are keeping as open ATM. Okay, so just the VWAP is seen here. Now when we are checking at the 15 minutes time frame. So this is the website name, you can remember. So this is actually a break even. This is actually open and close, so this is positive, this is open and close, and this is open and close. Okay, so this is loss making trade. So this is how we predict the market with a straddle. So this is basic hedge, straddle and strangle. So I am only explaining you straddle. Strangle definitely will be in profit if straddle is in profit. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you.